Hey Internet friends, Josh again. Tonight it looks like we are putting the skin on the vertical stabilizer. And I'm going to realize soon that I installed the top rib upside down. So I cleco together the skin, put the clecos in all the ribs, and once I get to the top I'm going to realize that it doesn't fit. One of the things that I wish bands would do, even though the plans are great, I wish there was a way to present a 3D model so you could look at that while you're putting this together, so you could manipulate the orientation. Sometimes it's kind of hard to look at the plans and see that, or try to realize what the orientation of a part is actually supposed to be. So I don't know if there's a way for bands to export like a 3D CAD model without giving away everything, but it would be nice if you could, pull up a 3D model of the rudder, spin it around, turn the skins on and off, and see how everything's supposed to go together. Yep, not fitting. Trying to figure out why. It's because you installed the top rib upside down, stupid. Now we gotta take everything apart, take all of these clecos out. Well, let's see, that rib seems to be good, that rib's, oh, there we go, we found it. The top rib is installed upside down. That is the nice thing about bands, though. It's really pretty much impossible to install a part the wrong way because it only fits if the parts are installed the right way. If the parts aren't installed the right way, there's not going to be a hole for any clecos to plug into. Well, actually, nope, still installed upside down, so I still haven't figured it out. The flanges should be sticking towards the top because the skin needs something to cleco onto. It's right there in front of you. Come on, figure it out. I wonder how much it costs to license the Jeopardy music here. You'd probably need to loop it about 20 times. What is you install the rib upside down? Alright, congratulations. I figured it out finally. And now I'm flipping it over, installing it correctly, and look, all the clecos fit. That's amazing. Okay, well, that's enough frustration for one night. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.